Are you tired of food going bad too fast or freezer burn ruin your meals? You are not alone. In this video, we are checking out what could be the best vacuum food sealer for your kitchen in 2025. It's the Bonsenkitchen Vacuum Sealer Food VS4100, a sleek, low noise, and high performance sealer that's been getting a lot of attention. I found some impressive features on this model that I think you're going to love. This machine is made of. Let's start with the design. The Bonsenkitchen VS4100 comes in a stainless steel finish that looks modern and fits well in any kitchen. It has a built-in cutter and storage for bag rolls, which keeps your sealing station neat and organized. The easy lock handle design makes 100 operation effortless. No more pressing down with both hands just to get a seal. Now for performance, this model packs 4 upgraded vacuum pumps and uses globe-freeze technology to deliver tight, even seals every time. With over twice the pressure of standard sealers, you get stronger suction and no weak spots in the bag. It's rated to seal 50 bags in just 20 minutes, ideal for bulk prepping or freezer meals. For a sealer in this price range, that's serious power. This vacuum filler isn't one size fits all. It gives you crew control. You've got vac and seal for automatic sealing, pulse vac for delicate or moist items, extended seal for wet foods like soups or sauces, accessory mode to vacuum seal jars and containers. All of this, and it runs at just 65 dB, which is more quiet than most conversations. It's perfect for nighttime use or small spaces. This sealer ranks high for a reason. It's currently number 12 in vacuum sealers and rated 4.6 out of 5 stars by over 1,700 customers. Bonsenkitchen backs it with a 3-year quality commitment, which is rare at this price point. They also provide long-term support if you ever run into issues. It's a strong value for anyone who wants reliable and consistent sealing without breaking the bank. If you're enjoying this breakdown and want more no-fluff gear reviews, kitchen tools, and buying guides, make sure to click that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss what's next. So, is the Bonsenkitchen VS4100 the best food vacuum sealer out there? With powerful suction, a smart design, quiet operation, and great user reviews, it definitely earns a spot at the top. It's a solid choice whether you are sealing meals, reducing waste of food, or just keeping your food fresher for longer. Check the link in the description for current pricing and let me know in the comments what gear you want to see reviewed next. Thanks for watching and happy sealing.